service here. And what you have to do on the M5 is remove first this first cover here. Okay, and when you remove that cover, you're gonna have a second cover, and that one is this one. Okay, it's here, just 4 bolts. There they are, very easy to remove, it's just a cover, nothing special function except for covering. And then here it is, receiver dryer on the driver's side. Here you need special pliers by the name of snap ring pliers. I bought a snap ring pliers from Harbor Freight, and this is why you should not attempt to remove the receiver dryer, the original receiver dryer, from your AC condenser, because it's tightly sealed there. Okay, and I damaged it trying to release the spring here and then open it up. It didn't came out. I put a screw here, I was pulling, it wasn't coming. It come to a level and then it wasn't coming out, and I had to use a big screwdriver, pry it out. It was a big mess. And for what? For $100 or $200, whatever you choose. The brand to be the original, okay, brand, which is made up in France, and there's the Mahol and Bayer. That's around $200, and then the Nissan, the Chinese one, which is also compatible and perfect, it's around $100. So it doesn't pay off to just change the receiver dryer, which I have and I bought, and I'll show it to you. But just take it out, take out the whole AC condenser and change it. And in order to do that, you just have to release these 2 screws. Okay, there they are, very simple. Just release them from here and a right port, I think, and from the other one, and then just eliminate them, pry them out with a screwdriver. They come out very easily, and then just pull it out. Nothing holds this one. Just pull it out, as simple as that. Simple. Pull it out, and there you have it. You don't have to change this, mess it up. Just change the whole AC condenser. That's my message for you guys. Clean this up, order a new AC condenser, return the receiver dryer, which is, let me show it to you here. I ordered it. Comes up with everything, with a cap, a new cap. There's a new cap with gaskets, with a little cap on top with the ring, this clamp, ring clamp. And then there's a receiver dryer. It's inside this protected tube here, metal tube. Here it is. You can see it on eBay, you can see it on any website that sell it, there it is. But luckily, I discovered that it's tough to open. AC condenser cap over there in order for you to change the old AC receiver dryer with a new AC receiver dryer. And luckily I'm going to return this one. I'm going to order the whole complete set with a new AC receiver dryer inside, and everything brand new, seals and everything else for $100. That's my message for you guys. If you're changing it, change all of it. The AC condenser with receiver dryer inside and all the gaskets needed. Here's the old AC condenser. So let's see. It arrived finally. Here it is, the box for the new AC condenser. I'm gonna open it right now, and then we're gonna go inside and install it. Okay, let's see what we have here. Put some paper protection there, and there it is. Nissan is the brand. The original is black, and it's from there. Made in France. Someone said there it is. In France, but I didn't want it to go with this one because it was 100% more expensive than Nissan, and this brand is very famous, popular. They're on the market for many decades, and they have nothing wrong with their production parts. So let's open this and then we're gonna come back. Here's the box. It's just like opening a laptop. Easy for us. There it is. Voila. New AC Evap Core. Sorry, new AC dryer receiver here. You have some gaskets, O-rings. Perfect. We need those right here. Let me just pick it up to see if everything's okay. Yeah, it's sealed. Very good. So the receiver dryer is sealed. You remember our mistake that we tried to open this and changed it. So that's good. The other side is also sealed very nicely. Good. Now you're changing this, putting it right here, but first we have to connect this to connections here for the AC system, and let's do that first. This feed here, okay, so one O-ring, the thicker one will go in the thicker hose. There's the old one in burgundy color, and our new one is in green. Same thing here. There's smaller one, old here. I'm gonna put a new one right now before we install this gear. New one, same thing here, old versus new, thicker versus. Again, release this screw, and I assume that this is pressurized to tell you that it works, it doesn't leak anywhere. Let's see what's going to happen there. When I was changing the AC Evap Core, when I did this, a lot of pressure was released and a lot of air escaped, and you can hear it, you know. And now, let's see, I guess not. It's not pressurized, but they're here for protection. Tells us that they made these for protection, so we open them completely, and you can see a little rubber here. So, okay. Good, we opened it. And do the same for this side. Oh, this one came in automatically. So that's great. And we're ready to install those hoses here. It's in. The AC condenser is in. It fits right in. You don't have to do any special things to it. Just snaps right in inside. And we're gonna now tighten. We reuse the same bolts. They didn't send us any bolts, so we're gonna reuse them. They're fine, perfectly fine. One goes here, one goes there, and that's it. Once you finish tightening these two screws here, that go directly, I'm gonna show you in the old one, go directly in these two holes, 1 and 2. Just tighten the screws there. This unit drops down and it sits very nicely. Okay, so you don't have to snip anything, clip anything, just sits there. Down there it has a nice little position to sit. Okay, and then we're gonna put this panel back that holds the cable. Watch out, do not disassemble or deattach the cables for the latch, your hood latch, okay, because it's not gonna open up. Okay, so watch that. I had to change mine. I put brand new latches everywhere, cables, brand new everything, at an auto body shop. They did it very nicely. They changed everything so I don't have problems in the future. I had problems where this hood was locked just because of this, because I opened and deattached. I didn't see the cable deattaching, so watch out. Next, before we put this shield, I'm going to put this plastic cover here that covers all the radiator, the AC condenser, and everything else. So it goes like this, and this little piece has to cover the dryer there, and that's how you're going to lay it down. We have 2 screws on the left side, okay, 2 screws on the right side. Another important tip is to make sure that this lays down. Okay, it doesn't have any lip, elevated or anything. It lays down flat here with this plastic. Okay, otherwise this cover will not close properly, and you're gonna have trouble screwing these 2 screws here on the opposite side. So lay it down correctly. Okay, so all the shields, all the covers are on this car. I have to put this one here as well back, but everything is back in order. We put a couple of torque screws around this shield here, the last one, and now we're ready to finalize the AC Evap Core service, which came out to be a couple of additional parts which I wanted to be better safe than sound. We changed also the fan there, the motor blower as we call it. We changed the heater core besides the AC Evap Core, those 3 inside there, and now we change also the AC condenser here with a brand new dryer receiver there. So now we're ready to put Freon inside, and let's test the AC system if it works and if we did a great job on it.